बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अज़ीज़ तुलबा, आज हम पोएम द रेन जो कि W.H. डेविस ने लिखी हुई है उसकी समरी को करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो चलते हैं समरी की तरफ। The poem The Rain has been written by W.H. Davies. In this poem, he describes the beautiful scene of the rain. He hears the rainwater falling on the trees. The sound of the rainwater is pleasant. He calls the upper leaves rich leaves, as they are fresher than lower ones. They are receiving a lot of rainwater first and giving it to the leaves on the lower branches drop by drop. So he calls the lower leaves poor leaves. To the poet, when the rain stops, the sun will come out. Its light will be pleasant and will fill each and every dark round drop. He hopes that the sun will shine brightly and will create a pleasant and attractive scene. Thus, through the examples of rain and sunshine, the poet wants to make us realize that there would be equality in the society, just like the sunshine which spreads its light and benefits everyone all over the world equality. उम्मीद है कि ये समरी आपके लिए बहुत ही कारआमद होगी तो और बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल भी रहेगी। तो इस अपनी दुआओं में भी याद रखिएगा और अपने इस चैनल का भी ख्याल रखिएगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेसन में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।